Hello everyone, I'm Magician Ethan Yip. And today I'm going to teach you a silk scarf magic trick. Okay, first I'll perform it for you once. I'll stuff this silk scarf into my fist, bit by bit, snap my fingers, and then a miracle is about to happen. You'll see the scarf pass through my palm and turn a bit red. Yes, exactly, just like this. Stuff a bit, it changes a bit. Stuff a bit, it changes a bit. Stuff a bit, it changes a bit. Once it's almost all in, you'll see the whole scarf will turn red. This is where the applause should be. Alright, actually I've been studying this trick for 5 years now. I've come up with two methods. The first one is simple. We take a knife and make a cut here. Stuff the white scarf in and the red one is bound to come out. Don't ever try that. We can prepare a much smarter way, right? We just need to prepare 2 silk scarves of different colors, okay? Okay, so first we need to go somewhere private and hide this red silk scarf inside our hand. Then remember to make sure it doesn't bulge out on this side or bulge out on that side. Then you take this white scarf on stage like this and you can start the performance. Now the whole process is very simple. We just need to stuff a bit of white from the top, then snap our fingers and pull a bit of red from the bottom. Very simple, right? Right. Stuff a bit of white on top, pull a bit of red from below. Stuff a bit of white on top, pull a bit of red from below. Oh, but remember, since there are 2 scarves, while you're stuffing them in, your hand needs to be extra firm. Because if you're not firm, the scarf is elastic and it'll pop out like this. And then when the audience sees this, they'll want you to open your hand. So what do you do then? Don't be nervous. We just need to rub it gently like this, close. Then open your hand with full confidence and you can receive the audience's warm applause.